Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to preview your profile on Yubo. So let's start. First, open the Yubo app. To preview your profile, first you have to tap on the profile icon on top right corner and go to your profile. Then tap on preview just below your username. And this is the preview of your profile. Now if you tap on the right side of the image, you will be able to see the other options. You can also see all of their interests from here. But you have to remember that you can only preview your profile. However, just like you are previewing your profile, each and every person on Yubo will be able to see your profile just like as it is. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.